guys, and welcome back to Repair and Resell. Today we're gonna take a look at controller number 2 of Joblot number 3. Basically this controller has a bad charging port. It was a nice silver one, so it would be pretty nice if we can fix it. Basically what we will do in this video is that we're gonna change the charge port, and this should fix the charging problem, because I don't know if you remember, we weren't even able to plug the cable in the charge port, so this is why the controller was faulty. If you want to know maybe how to open your controller or how to test it, I will leave a link in the description below. I will also leave a link to the unboxing of this beautiful silver controller, but for the moment let's take this apart. So this silver controller is now open. Now we're gonna try to replace the charge port. What is nice with the PS4 controller is that the charge port is not soldered on the main motherboard, so it makes them a lot easier to change them. I had the broken controller here that has a working charge port, so we're gonna use this one and we're gonna put it in this one so we can test this controller and make it works. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is actually not really difficult, but it's always good to know. First things we're doing, we're gonna remove the white part. Usually you will need to push it by its bigger part, I think, just like that. Then we can remove yeah, this is it. We will be able to remove this one, but first we will need to as you can see, there is a little pad right here, and it's glued to the board, and it's what it's taking this, and it's what is keeping this in place. Sorry, I'm just gonna move my mic. Here we go. I'm usually taking a flathead screwdriver, and as we would reuse it, I will try not to break anything. I will just pull it off like this gently. Yeah, here we go. And once it's all removed, we should be able to take this off pretty easily. So here we go. Just like that. We remove that also, just by pushing on it. And there is one final screw to remove, just here. And with a little tape, sometimes it can be tricky. Sorry. Gonna try to push it both sides. I don't want to break it. Should be coming off. Don't see why it's not. Here we go. The tape was actually really doing a good job at maintaining it in place. So this is the piece that we're gonna change. Really a small piece, but it's making it really easier to do. We could also change this cable right here, but we won't do it, as it will just be a loss of time to do so. So I'm gonna put this part aside. We're gonna take the other one and we're gonna do the same thing. Let's see if we can spot a difference between the two. The good one is this one on the left, and the bad one is the other one on the right. Yeah, this one seems, I think, yeah, this one is really broken. We're gonna put it aside. Now we're gonna put the working one in the other shell, just like this. I'm gonna move the pad. Here we go. This is in place. I'm gonna put the tape really good, like this. We're gonna screw this in place. Now we're sure that this won't move. We're gonna put this little plastic back in, just like that. Oops. Oops, sorry. I know it's a good side because I can hear it clips. We're gonna put back this other protector right here, just like that. Oh, I should have flipped the pad before. We're gonna glue the pad back on this plastic, making sure it's holding it in place. And now all we have left to do is to put this piece back, just like this. I hope it will be easier to put it back than to put it out. And here we go. The port is now changed. I'm gonna reassemble this one off camera, and now we're gonna be able to test our silver controller. This controller should now be able to charge. Here we go. My cable sometimes it's doing it on its own. Here we go. Now it's fully charging. So this change of charge port was a really good thing to do. Now we still need to clean the controller. I think I will keep another video just for this on how to fully clean the whole Dualshock 4. Leave a like to this video if you think it's a good idea. I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.